Hi, friends, welcome to my channel learn.pk. Subscribe my channel to learn daily new things.
Entry job involves reading data from one source and typing it into another. For example, reading data from a PDF report and typing it into Excel sheet is a kind of data entry job. Nowadays, many businesses collect an enormous amount of data, such as customer details, product details, research data, and so on. They collect these data via various mediums such as website, social media, forums, surveys, and so on. As this data is gathered from multiple sources, they need to aggregate all this data into one platform where they can study and perform analysis on it. For this purpose, businesses need two people who can do this data entry work for them. Most of the businesses outsource data entry jobs to other companies who hire independent home-based contractors to do data entry jobs for them. This provides you a great opportunity to earn money on the internet. Almost anyone can do it. You just need to have fast and accurate typing skill, basic computing skills, experience in working with word processing software such as MS Word, a good working computer with high-speed internet connection. Even though data entry jobs are very popular, finding legitimate data entry companies has become very difficult due to multiple data entry scams going around on the internet. My advice is to you to remain extremely cautious before you sign up to any of so-called data entry program. And remember that legitimate companies will never ask you for money to apply for data entry jobs for them. To give you a head start, I am enlisting 3 legitimate websites or URLs where you can sign up as a data entry worker. First, tdeck.com. Second, dataentrysolutions.net. Third, axiondata.com. Now repeat these words and spell them. tdeck.com, tdec.com, dinodatasolutions.net, diondatasolutions.net, axiondata.com, axiondata.com.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel learn.pk and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks.